Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bags and Design by Khembuzz. So, guys, if today is your first time visiting my channel, watching my video, welcome to Bags and Design by Khembuzz. So, guys, today I'm just gonna be showing you guys I'm just gonna be showing you guys the materials I'll be using for my next video. So guys, I'm gonna be making 3 different laptop bags. So I'm just gonna be making a chocolate, a black, and also a brown laptop bag. So guys, I'm gonna be making use of a pure leather material, original material. Guys, please make sure you watch this tutorial. It's gonna be awesome. I mean, it's gonna be a step-by-step tutorial for you guys to learn from. Guys, this material right here is called cow leather. Cow leather comes in a very big, in a very wild leather, so it is called cow leather. The 3 letters that I'm using, it's called cow leather. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification button. Thank you guys. So guys, this is the black leather I'm gonna be working on for the black laptop bag. Guys, if you look at this leather, it's a very soft and very lovely leather. This is a leather that you can fold. It's foldable. It's very awesome. I mean, it's a very soft leather. I'm working with a soft leather. I'm not gonna be making use of edge cords, so I'm gonna be folding all the leathers inside. So I need something very soft, and that is why all the leather I got is soft leather. So guys, I'm gonna be moving to the brown leather. All this leather, the brown leather, the chocolate leather, and also the black leather is 38 foot papier leather. It is called, I don't know if I'm right, but it's the measurements. I mean, you're not gonna be using tape rule. It is measured with it is measured papier. So I'm using 38 measurements for all the leathers. For one leather is 38 foot papier. So guys, please make sure you watch this video. Make sure you watch this video. It's gonna be light. I can't wait to make the video and drop it out there for you guys to watch. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys the accessories I'll be making use of. I'll be making use of black. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be making use of black silver accessory. I'll be making use of a brown bronze accessories, and I'll be making use of a chocolate bronze accessories. You guys don't want to miss this. You guys don't want to miss this video. So guys, please make sure, like I said, make sure you watch this video. I am giving you guys a full details. It's gonna be a well detailed tutorial for you guys to learn from. Guys, I'll be showing you guys the hardware, which is the bag hook, the d-ring, the I'm gonna be showing you guys, these are the hardware I'm working with: the hook, the d-ring, the adjuster, so guys, like I said, you need to really watch this video. You really need to watch this video. It's gonna be awesome, guys. Guys, this is a wool, so I'm gonna be making use of this for my bag handle, for the laptop handle bag. I'm gonna be making use of it for the three laptop bags for the short handles. So guys, I got all these hardwares, all this leather, everything, all the materials at Lagos, Nigeria market, Mushin, Nigeria, Lagos market. So that is where I got all those things from. So guys, this is called pipe. The previous picture, the black one, is called tape. So I'll be using the tape. I'll be using this pipe. So guys, thanks so much for watching. This tutorial has come to an end. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment.